Hi everyone! In today's video, I'm actually taking some inspiration from another artist, and her name's Sarah. I saw some of her posts on some Facebook groups that I'm a part of. She did these really cute flowers, and so I wanted to try them out, and instead of dipping or blowing anything out, she used some bottles to just drop her paint and then run a stick through them to create some fun designs. So I have some iridescent colors. They are white when you mix them up, but when they dry, they're a metallic color. So I have pink, purple, and blue. I also have some white, gold, and black mixed up, and I'm going to use black for my background. And I'm just using a nice small canvas. And then I also have, I want to see if I can do some coasters. I think coasters would look really nice in this design, so we'll see what they look like. But I'm going to put my black down and then some of the white and gold and swipe it up a little bit to kind of create a little bit of a background, and then put my colors down. So this is the first time that I'm testing this out. I have each of my colors mixed with water and Floetrol. And I'm going to try not to do too much of a thick base coat. I'm going to try and keep it a little bit thinner because I want to make sure that my colors that I'm putting down from my bottles won't get lost underneath the black. Every once in a while, paint can sink. So I just want to make sure that that won't happen. So I'm just going to make sure that my sides are all covered. And then we'll start with the white and the gold. And I'm just going to take, I just have some little pieces of paper that I tore up so that I could kind of just swipe through and kind of get some designs going for my background. All right, so I'm going to start dropping my colors, and these bottles just have a little twist top to them, so it's really easy to use and just drop some paint. And then I have a little tool that I've actually used before for a mandala painting, and I'll just use this to swipe through my colors. So you will see what I'm doing here in just a second. I'm gonna open all these up and just start dotting. So I'm just going to put those down. I'm actually going to drop just a small amount of black. And then just take my tool and swipe it on through. Oh, that's really cute. That pattern is going to be really nice. So hopefully the iridescent colors dry nice and just really pop against that black. But move on to another color. And I might kind of put some of my, just mix some of my colors a little bit. And then just take my tool and swipe through. I really like the way that that looks. So my black, oh, I'm noticing my black is kind of taking over in a few areas, so I might have to be really careful with that. And I can always redo later. So we'll go through. Swipe through there. I'm really liking those. We're gonna do some more up in here. I think with the iridescent colors being so white when you first put them down, it's going to be a nice surprise to see what colors went where once they are all dry. Next time, I think I will definitely do some other colors so that it's a little bit easier to see. I was actually thinking about putting some of my gold in a dropper and using some of that too, so I might do that next time. All right, just a few more. So I kind of had one there. We're gonna put one here. And then one or two more over here. And then I will let this dry. Hopefully it dries nice. To me, it feels like I have quite a bit of paint on my surface. So we'll have to see how that goes. Okay, I'm gonna leave this as is. I don't wanna keep adding paint to it. Hopefully the design turns out nice. Next time, I'm definitely gonna try a white background just to see how that looks, but hopefully this dries okay. Especially after this is all dry and those iridescent colors really pop against the black background. Probably no white next time. I'm actually not liking the white in there. So again, I may try it with some gold too. I think alternating the gold and black in an iridescent color would be really pretty. But I'm gonna set this aside and try a couple of coasters and see if those look good. But I don't wanna keep adding paint to this one. So we'll move this over here and we'll do just a couple of coasters with this. Actually, we'll try some gold on these and see how that looks. All right, get that leftover paint off. So there's just a really nice thin layer of the black paint on these. I'm actually going to try some gold ones. But just creating these tiny little puddles and then swiping just a really small tool through them creates such a really cute design. And it's trying to get ideas for other types of tools and things that you could use to get different shapes, because I think the flowers are really fun. I really like doing them with dipping, so this kind of gives you an idea of try out some different tools and see what happens. So I'll use my little stick, swipe through these. That I think is going to be really cute. That one I may do one more. Kind of want to put one right there. So I'm going to do just one more small one right there. And that one is going to get just a little bit of gold. There we go. All right, so we will let everything dry and take a look at how these look once they are. So I might redo those. We'll see. We'll see how it looks. I'm just gonna dip a little bit more of my color right in there and right in there, because those got so dark from that black. I just don't know how they're gonna look. So swipe one more time. That's a little better. A little bit of color in the middle there. We'll just see how those look when they are all dry. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I did. I think this is really fun, and I think it has a lot of potential, especially for some really cute coasters. So we'll see how everything looks when it's all dry, and we'll see what that iridescent paint looks like. But thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.